Hello, this is Steve from ObjectRiver. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to download and install the ObjectRiver CloudCompiler plugin. Right now you're looking at the ObjectRiver homepage. What you want to do is navigate to the downloads page and click the download link for the CloudCompiler. This is downloading a zip file, and what I'm going to do is we're going to open it and we're going to extract it to a local drive here. I'm going to put it on my E drive. That's extracted. We'll close that. One other thing is I want you to set an environment variable for the location. Go to the environment variable. I'm on Windows. Down here, it's this environment variable. It's already set. Set the ObjectRiver home environment variable to the location where you installed the SDK, and that lets the build environment find the libraries for building your WAR files, Docker type stuff, etc. I'm going to close that. Close that. Now I'm going to go over to IntelliJ. And I'm actually going to create a new project. I'm going to open a project that's in the SDK. So it's a Java project. Go next. Next again. Go in here. This is the REST framework. I will open the Bean project here. Keeps opening in my other window here. All right, so now I'm in the Bean project. What we want to do is we want to go to this wrench right here and go to plugins, and then you're going to want to install plugin from disk. We'll go here. We're going to go in ObjectRiver, SDK, IntelliJ, and this is the plugin for IntelliJ. I'm going to say OK. Now, IntelliJ wants you to restart IntelliJ. We're going to exit. This takes a second. Should be coming back here shortly. All right, it's starting up. It's actually started up on my other screen. Okay, here we are. Now the plugin's installed, giving you a little tip there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to this edit configuration screen. We hit this plus symbol, and you'll see CloudCompiler. This is the plugin. So if we go here, we can configure it and run it here. So we say we're going to generate Java code. Here's the model from the directory, the beans directory. We just want to generate client and server code. Enter an email address. This bean, don't build it before I run it. Everything's pretty much set. Say OK. We come over to this button. We can run it. This is contacting Amazon. And that ran and generated all this code. And so now you're all set. That's it. It's as easy as it is to download and run an example. Thanks.